Hi, are you a business owner thinking about automating your system and increasing your sales? Yes? If so, you're in the right place. Let me give you a brief introduction first. I'm Mariel Flores, a sales automation specialist from the Philippines. I'm all about helping businesses grow by developing effective automation solutions. Since I have a solid understanding of sales automation and have used high level myself, I can create tailored automation strategies to help you save time and boost your sales. Whether you need to set up email campaigns, manage CRM pipelines, create surveys and forms, or design sales funnels, I've got you covered. Why should you work with me? I believe in making customized automation plans that save your time and increase sales. My goal is to help you get the most out of your business, while I'll focus on technical details. From scheduling appointments to nurturing leads, I make sure everything in your sales process is optimized for maximum efficiency. While I'm still learning in the field, my dedication and commitment to providing outstanding services are unbeatable. If you are looking for a dedicated automation specialist who can streamline your processes and boost your sales, give me a call. I'm excited to work with you and help your business reach new heights. Let's make automation work for your business.